In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Fusion files at the Autodesk A360 site and how to link those files to Canvas. First, go to a360.autodesk.com and then sign in with your Autodesk account. If you don't have one, you'll need to make one. It's free, and make a student account so that you can download their student software for free. Here you'll find a list of all your Fusion files. You can click on this. If you click on your corner, you'll get a list of all your Fusion files. So let's say that I want to turn in the Halloween bucket. Click on the share icon and then copy this link. Now I'll go to Canvas, click on the Assignments tab, click on the appropriate assignment, Submit Assignment, click on Website URL, paste that link in there, and Submit Assignment. So that's how I would like you to submit all your Fusion assignments to me. Thanks.